Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and asked me to place order directly from the supplier of these various links right here. And I decided to make a video about this and show you on how to place order directly from the supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. You can see all the 1688 links right here. So let's get started. Very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the 1688 product link right here to load the product link. Having opened up the product link, it's going to load up right here. And the next thing we want to do is to make sure we add the product to cart. I've already had all the product to cart to make this particular tutorial short and straight to the point. However, if you don't know how to add product to cart, you can check the video out on my channel. I've made a lot of video on how you can add a product to cart. After a successful add the product to cart, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. This allows you to fill your cart. Then you are going to see all the products in my cart right here. So from here, you can go ahead and buy from all of these particular supplier directly on 1688 without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship products from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the supplier. And I'm going to go ahead and select the second supplier right here. Select the top supplier. Having selected all the supplier, next thing we want to do is go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, I need to simply scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, and then go ahead and click on here. Select means of payment, and I'm going to make payment with my Alipay. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter payment password. Now payment done successful. Lastly, I will go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to go back. Then next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on my profile icon right here to proceed to my dashboard. Refresh my dashboard and you'll see all the products we just paid for found right here. So let's check it out. You can see them all right here. Lastly, I'm going to exit from my 1688, open up my WhatsApp, attachment, gallery, select proof of payment and say payment done. And send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.